I am the Roof Leak Assassin, and today we're going to show you how to make 3 roof repairs on an iced up roof. So, if you're a young service manager out there in an area that takes ice, and you've got some kind of a super roofer telling you they can't get anything done, you make sure they watch this video. Not going to lie, guys, I'm from Texas. We don't deal with this much. I'm going to do this when I'm going back to the house. All right, folks, this is how we're going to do it. Right now, I've got my licer warming up. I'm going to let that thing heat up here in the next few minutes. And we've got 3 leaks. One over here. It's marked with this. One over here, a little bit longer, and then one over here by the knife. And what we'll do is we're just going to get this licer going on them, kind of thaw them out, clean them up, prep them, heat the membrane up a little bit, cut some patches, and get out of here. Just as easy as that. So stay tuned, and I'll let you guys see me working here. Let's start with the easy one first. It's actually pretty dry, but these other 2 are going to be a little bit more of a workout. I'm going to go grab my rag here and we'll get set up. This shouldn't take too long. I'm just going to kind of run this thing full bore, and we'll edit this stuff out. I won't bore you guys with watching me work. It's not that much fun, I know. All right, so one here, just going to wipe him up. What I'm gonna do is I want to go get my cleaner too. All right, let's go have some fun. This was the easy one. Let's go over here and get this guy. This one we get to have a little more fun with. Come on. Bad one there, boys. Make sure you use gloves with this. One more over here, folks. I'll try this at home. This one here is a little bit longer, so it's going to take a little bit longer piece, but shouldn't be too bad. This should take care of them. Alright folks, so for the most part I've got them defrosted. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get them clean, and then I'm going to use that Leister to kind of warm this membrane up a little bit more so I can get a good weld to it. We don't really mess with the freezing down here, and to be honest with you guys, it's not that cold. It's I'd be kind of embarrassed, but it's probably about 35. Nothing compared to what some of those Michigan and northern folks are going through, but reason I'm out here today is I wanted to see how the roofs were, and they're like I thought they were. They're pretty frozen up, and it's not really worth having the guys out here unless it's an absolute emergency. And for the most part we've got some good weather here the next few days, so there's no I've deemed this no sense in being out here. So I'm gonna make these 3 repairs and get out of here. But basically what I'm gonna do next is get these good and clean. I've got all the water off of them. It's all the frozen stuff is off, and cut my patches, and then we'll you know, we'll warm this membrane back up and put them down, and we'll let them set up, and I'll check them with the probe, and more than likely we'll be out of here in the next 20-25 minutes, so stay tuned. Alright folks, we're going to see if we can get this repair down here in about 30 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weld that shut real quick. I got my patch cleaned, and then we'll start the time, so bear with me. All right, I don't know if this is gonna happen or not. I think I can do it in less than a minute. I don't think 30 seconds is gonna be, I'm not gonna force this because I don't wanna come back. But for anybody that is worried about it today, you can see it's melting already. It's not as cold out here as they say it is. And I'm pretty confident that I can get it warm enough. Alright, so about a minute and a half, but I'm kind of rusty. I'm an office roofer. But got a couple more to do, and we're gonna get out of here. It's cold. Fingers are getting cold, so we're out of here. All right, 2 down, 1 to go. This is how I test them. This is called probing. Basically just taking this point, making sure she doesn't get in there. I'm gonna come heat him up, but he's good, he's down. These things ain't coming up and they're not leaking. And then this one. Good to go. Not bad for an office guy, huh? All right, guys, I want to shut this off a little bit. I've got this big one to do. I got to piece him in. I still got to get him dry and stuff, and I'm gonna get this one done and get out of here. I'll check out with you in a bit. All right, folks, that's a wrap here. And in case I didn't mention anything when we first started this, this is a TPO roof, about 5 years old. TPO over the office. Metal up there. It's been an ongoing leak for a while. Roof's, like I said, 5 years old. Usually when these builders build them, they only give you like 1-2 year warranty. This has been an ongoing issue. I think they've called a couple roofing companies out. Didn't see a whole lot of repairs. I think they initially thought it might have been an AC issue, but it didn't take me long to figure out these cold welds. So found 4 cold welds. And for what it's worth, the leak would be right about here. So that patch probably got it. Those 2 patches were also cold welds, nothing really too deep, but this here guy, he was a big one. Got him down too, and what I did is probed all this seam, probed all that seam, and probed all that wall flashing, and I'm pretty confident we got it. The leaks in there were pretty small. There were 2 tiles missing, but all the stains were maybe like a fist size, so can say with pretty high confidence we got it. Also, the decking's running this way, so with the leak being there, I checked up there as well, and pretty content with what we got. So please like, subscribe, comment, and folks, give us a call. We'd love to do some business with you. Take care, have a great day, and by all means, stay warm.